Today's video is Nichole give Mr. Alberto some cough drops and water / Ungrounded. And this is my first video of Nichole from South Park Gets Ungrounded, so enjoy the video.
Man, I can't believe that Rose Cinderella washes Mr. Alberto's mouth out with soap and then throw up. Well, I wish I can make him feel better by giving him cough drops and water. Wait, giving him some cough drops and water? That gives me a great idea. I'm going to give Mr. Alberto some cough drops and water to make him feel better.
At Mr. Alberto's house.
Man, I can't believe that Rose Cinderella wash my mouth out with soap. I wish that I don't want to get my mouth to be washed with soap again. Nichole, what are you doing here?
Mr. Alberto, I'm sorry that Rose Cinderella washes your mouth out with soap yesterday. But I got you some cough drops and some water to make you feel better.
Yay, I feel so much better now. Thank you so much, Nichole. I will be calling your parents about this. You can go home now.
When Nichole got home.
Nichole, words cannot describe how proud we are. Thank you for giving him some cough drops and some water, because we heard that Rose Cinderella washes Mr. Alberto's mouth out with soap yesterday.
You are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You were the best.